So let us continue with chapter 22, simple linear equations. So in our previous class we had completed with exercise 22a. So today we will be dealing with solving a linear equation using transposition. So we will come to that. Okay. So let us directly move to exercise 22b and start with the first question. So in the first question we have solve 2x plus 5 equal to 17. So how do we solve this type of question? So I'll start with 2x equal to 17 plus 5 will become minus 5, that is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Second one we have 3y minus 2 is equal to 1. 3y is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So divide by 3, right? So y is equal to 1. Third one we have 5p plus 4 is equal to 29. 5p is equal to 29 minus 4, that is equal to 25. Divide by 5, p is equal to 5. Fourth one we have, fourth sub question, 4a minus 3 is equal to minus 27. 4a is equal to minus 27 plus 3. 4a is equal to minus 24. Divide by 4, a is equal to minus 6. Fifth one, 2z plus 3 is equal to minus 19. 2z is equal to minus 19 minus 3, that is equal to minus 22. 2z is equal to minus 22, divide by 2, z is equal to minus 11. Sixth one we have 7m minus 1 is equal to 20. 7m is equal to 20 plus 1, 21. With 7 divide by 7. So you get m is equal to 3. Seventh one we have 2.4x minus 3 equal to 4.2. 2.4x is equal to 4.2 plus 3, that is equal to 7.2. X is equal to 7.2 divided by 2.4, that is equal to 3. Next one, eighth one you have 4m plus 9.4 is equal to 5. 4m is equal to 5 minus 9.4. 4m is equal to minus 4.4 you will get. So m is equal to minus 4.4 divided by 4 equal to minus 1.1. Ninth one we have 6y plus 4 equal to 4.4. 6y is equal to minus 0.4. No, it is minus 4.4 minus 4 will give you minus 8.4. So y is equal to minus 8.4 divided by 6 will give you minus 1.4. Now coming to the second main, you have solve. First one, x by 3 minus 5 is equal to 2. X by 3 is equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7. Into 3 will give you what? X is equal to 21. Second one we have y by 2 minus 3 is equal to 8. Y by 2 is equal to 8 plus 3, that is 11. Y is equal to 11 into 2, that is 22. Third one we have z by 7 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. Z by 7 equal to 5 by 2 minus 1. So z by 7 equal to 5 minus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Z is equal to 21 by 2, that is equal to 10.5 you will get. Okay. Fourth one we have a by 2.4 minus 5 equal to 2.4. A is equal to 2.4 plus 5, that is equal to 7.4. A by 2.4 is equal to. So A is equal to 7.4 into 2.4. So let us do that. 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28, 29 into 8, 7 2s are 14, 6, 7, 7, 1. So you'll get 17.76 as the answer. Okay. Next we have the fifth sub question. b by 1.6 plus 3 is equal to minus 2.5. So b by 1.6 equal to minus 2.5 minus 3. b by 1.6 equal to minus 5.5. b is equal to, it's getting multiplied there, 5.5 into 1.6. 55 into 16, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 33 into 55, 088. So your answer will be minus 8.8. m by 4 minus 4.6 equal to minus 3.1. m by 4 equal to minus 3.1 plus 4.6. m by 4 equal to 1.5 you will get, right? m is equal to 1.5 into 4, that is equal to 6, right? Third main, coming to the third main, we have solved. First question, I have minus 8m minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Minus 8m is equal to minus 10 plus 2, that is equal to minus 8. So divide by 8 minus. So m is equal to 1 you will get. Okay. Coming to the second one, 4x plus 2x equal to 3 plus 5. 6x equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 6, that is equal to 4 by 3. Third one we have 4x minus x plus 5 equal to 8. 4x minus x will give you 3x. 8 minus 5 is 3. So x is equal to 1. Okay. Fourth one you have 6x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 10. 4x is equal to 10 minus 2 is 8. Divide by 4, x is equal to 2. Fifth one you have 18 minus of 2a minus 12 equal to 8a. 18 minus 2a plus 12 equal to 8a. 18 plus 12 will give you 30 equal to 10a. a is equal to 30 by 10 equal to 3. Sixth one you have 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 6 plus x equal to 4x plus 21. 6x plus 11 equal to 4x plus 21. 2x equal to 10. X is equal to 21 minus 11 is 10. X is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. Coming to the seventh sub question, you have 3.5x minus 9 minus 3 equal to x plus 1. 3.5x minus 12 equal to x plus 1. 3.5x minus x equal to 13. 2.5x is equal to 13 you will get. X is equal to 13 by 2.5. So into 10 I will get 130 by 25. So 130 by 25 will give me what? 5s are 125, 5 balance 32. So your answer will be 5.2. Ninth one you have minus m plus 3m minus 6m minus 3m equal to minus 22 minus 4m is equal to minus 22 by minus 4 by minus 4. So m is equal to 11 by 2, that is equal to 5.5. 10th one we have 5x minus 14 equal to x minus 24 plus 4x. 5x minus 14 equal to x minus 24 minus 4x. So minus 3x you have. So 8x, 5x minus 3x will become plus 3x equal to minus 24 plus 14. 8x is equal to minus 10, x is equal to minus 10 by 8, that is equal to minus 5 by 4. Hope it's clear, children. Thank you, students.